Hi, welcome back. I just wanted to give you a quick update and say hello. So, what's going on? First of all, I'll show you this here. So, this is my latest watercolor, and that's the 40th painting for the art exhibit. I've reached my goal of 40 artworks for the exhibit, and I'm very happy with that. Here, I'll take my cup of tea, and I wrote a few notes because I want to say a few things and I don't want to forget anything. There's a lot of administrative work that needs to be done, but I will get there. Finishing the last artwork, there's a big relief, okay, on my part because I've reached the goal of 40 artworks, and that's the biggest I think that I've done for an art exhibit. And I'm very happy with that. So yesterday we went out and I bought frames. When you put your artworks in the frame, it's like it's over. This is the artwork. And I have so many watercolors right now that need to be framed. All the frames are downstairs in the dining room, and it's like it feels like there's energy because I know, okay, this is really taking shape, and I'm very excited. I'm very excited about this. So that part is done. And what I want to do is also we'll go out and get some mats. The frames that I bought, the mats are white, but I'm considering putting on colored mats. By the time you see this video, the catalog in progress will have been updated, and I believe I added there will be 4 or 5 new pieces on the catalog. I'm not considering the catalog complete yet because I might do other works as I see how I'm progressing with the admin work. I might do a few other paintings. I don't know yet. I don't want to put more pressure on myself, but if I can make some few more paintings, I will. Mid-May is where I will finalize the catalog, so you will see on the website instead of catalog in progress, it will be catalog. We were dealing with strange weather, so Monday morning we decided, Robert and I, to go to Petrie Island to see what the trails looked like. And we were very pleased we could walk through a few trails. You'll see on the video the state that the trails are. And then Tuesday morning, I got up, I think it was 5:30 or 6 o'clock, I can't remember, and opened the curtains, and the snow was falling, and we already had 4 inches of snow on the balcony. So we went out, and it snowed all day. I said to Robert, let's go to the neighborhood park, and that's where people walk their dogs, and but it was really early, so we left. We went for a walk, and it was beautiful. 2 hours later, it was cold. The weather changed, like again, really cold. So, and today it's decent. It's been a strange winter and it's a strange spring so far. So I hope you will enjoy the video of the our Monday and Tuesday walks in nature. So this is Monday, April the 7th. And we are at Petrie Island for a walk, just inspecting the trails. But so this is, I believe, a Turtle Trail, and the water is really close to the trails. So, but it's really nice to be out here, and the prospect of future walks here and doing some watercolor painting of the wildflowers and birds and scenes of the island. That makes me very happy, and I look forward to doing that. This is a little chickadee making a hole in that dead tree for nesting. So I believe this is a beaver. So we're still on this trail, the turtle trail, and it's really narrow where you see the water on the trail, but we still can walk, which is absolutely wonderful. And we can't go any further because it's flooded. Right in front of us, this little bridge, I call it Monsieur Monet Bridge, and it looks like we're gonna have to figure another way to get back to the car. Today is April the 8th, and it is snowing. Front balcony. Wow, all the snow was gone. This is the entrance of the little park in our neighborhood, so we'll see what that looks like. Magic. Let's continue to walk. Another side of the trail. Look at that. I'm over the bridge, on the bridge right now, and you can hear the water running. I love it. Look at that. So here's a little bit of the creek. There's another bridge, and those trees right here in front of you, we saw two large pileated woodpeckers last fall. They were stunning. Would you like to have a seat there? Okay. So we're on our way back. And this is at the beginning of the trail from the other end. I love those trees. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will probably be back towards the beginning of May to give you another update before the final update. And until then, I wish you well. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.